Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, November 20, Wednesday. Let's start with Bitcoin. Still a strong market. Morning Bukor, morning Deep Soul, morning Sebastian, morning Calls. Hey Shogun. Guys, please tell me if we have a good quality on video and audio on YouTube. On my part, seems like everything is nice and clean. Morning, Katalin. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin on daily. Well, you can see here that we are strong. I told you yesterday and 2 days ago, this is not a bearish pattern. This is a really strong continuation pattern. You will see this in strong markets. Yeah? It's consolidating upwards. Yeah? You'll see up, consolidating, but still trying to push, and then another leg. If it's so aggressive, that could mean we'll go above 100k. I don't know if that will be the case, but you can see here something like this or something like this. Well, let's take the last high. Well, and we have a damn confluence here with the house level. So let me put it a little bit different. You can see I take this one, A, B, and then from that level I take the next one, C, D, and it's pointing out here. Okay, really aggressive AB equals CD kind of move. You don't, if you don't pay attention, you don't realize there are two moves. If that will be the case, well, we can push really strong in the next couple of weeks to reach that level. Maybe we'll consolidate and we'll find a local top below 100k. Who knows? Anyway, it's not bearish, that's for sure. It's I don't see why people are trying to short. I don't know why people are still trying to short. I don't know people who short. I'm joking. We can short, we can long, we can do whatever we want, but let's keep in mind that we are in a bullish environment. We are in a strong market, price discovery on Bitcoin. So let's respect that. I was making fun that I scalped short yesterday on the SFU here on the high. Indicators, well, we have that bearish divergence here. Morning Boba. We have that bearish divergence here. It's there. We have a potential bigger one, but looking at OBV, well, no worries. We can do more than that. Look at it. Strong. I like it. So as long as RSI it's still in the overbought area, and OBV is looking like this, I don't have anything to worry about. Well, it's bearish. Well, I don't know if it's bearish. I think it's bullish. I think it's strong. Well, it's 92. Well, so what? Could go to 110. Well, how high Bitcoin could go? Well, price discovery. Wait, why is so bullish? Well, look at USDT. They are printing. One of the reasons. What do you think they are doing with that money? It's that kind of environment. Well, you don't have any support and resistance. Price is pushing higher until nobody is left to buy. And then you know what will happen. Don't think this environment will last forever. Enjoy it, but be damn clear about it that this kind of behavior will get punished after all. Like Brian Beamish is saying, what's the cure for higher prices? Who knows that? What's the cure for higher prices? No? Nobody? Well, I'm waiting for an answer. I want to know if someone from Brian Beamish is here from TRI. Okay, now, until we'll get punished and until the bull market will be over, let's take advantage. You see the price action here? I told everyone market is strong, be bullish, be strong. and not too many people listen. Now I'm telling you, look at what's happening on Bitcoin. You'll see the same pattern on altcoins. You'll not get an entry if you're a swing trader. Market will go max pain, up only. So you'll say, well, I'll see when altcoins will get bullish and I'll jump in. Well, really? If you don't have access on Holy Grail, what's the tool you'll use to chase the market if it's really strong? Even Holy Grail could not be fitted for a really strong market. Why you don't have your bags full already with altcoins? I know some people. No, even higher prices, Lulus. Sorry. Cure for higher prices is even higher prices. No? When they want to drop something, they all push it higher until it will drop by itself. Cannot sustain itself. That's the cure for higher prices. For high prices. Huh? You just push it even higher until it will drop. No buyer left in the market and will collapse. Yeah. If you don't trust me, just go and ask Brian. Well, here I told you we can push higher. Altcoins, we have the last chance challenge. Either you are a premium member, either you are a VIP member, you will get access on that challenge. It's for premium and VIP, it's not for public. For the public, for everyone, we have the road to financial freedom. No? Really good plan. Just go and buy the levels. A complete spreadsheet, a complete plan. Everything you want for free. We don't ask anything. So I don't know why not you don't have the bags already full. By the way, for VIP, we have an offer here. Yeah? VIP is really the top. If you have a good portfolio, if you have everything, you don't have time to learn, you don't want to do anything, just to get ideas. Well, we have an offer now, December and January, with a smaller fee. Yeah? You have to join Discord. I'll not say it in public. You have to join Discord, see the price. But I think December and January could be really good for trading. Keep in mind the environment we have. So it's up to you if you want to take that offer. Just go on the Discord, you'll see a channel, join VIP, and there you'll see the offer. Now, let's go back on the chart. How says here, AB equals CD really aggressive says the same. It's up to you if you are thinking bullish here or not. I'm not too eager to take a long on Bitcoin. I'm more eager to take some longs on altcoins and maybe Holy Grail if Bitcoin dominance will slow down. By the way, Ethereum, totally different. You can see, different approach, different market. We had a W here, is barely holding. So Bitcoin is making new highs and Ethereum is barely holding this W. Not the best environment. The problem with Ethereum is that we don't have support until here. Like I said yesterday, maybe you can hold if you look left, we have some support, but recently, I think we should test this level. If this W will not hold, AB equals CD will point out exactly here. Let me show you. If will not hold that W, this is an AB, and if you take that one, CD, AB, CD pattern, exactly here. Testing this level, maybe exceeding a little bit, making a W here, and there you go. Okay? Let's do a proper work this time here. Okay? This is AB. Let's put it as a AB. Okay? Now let's clone this one. So we take AB, we put it from the high. This is the higher high. And then we call it this one CD. Yeah? So we have AB consolidating CD move. That will point out here. I'm expecting that if this W here will not hold. If we'll put the line chart, you'll see the W. Okay? Look at the W. So if that W will not hold, we can talk about AB equals CD. For the moment, that W is holding. Barely, but it's holding. Okay, you can go on 4-hour chart and you'll see we even have a long setup and so on. Okay. Now, that's Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance. As long as we don't take this level, it's acceptable. Why? We can hope for an EM here, or a big daily EM. And if you go on lower time frame, you will see that this level is just a retest of this EM. Let's do that. Let's go on 4-hour chart. Okay, so we have EMs here breaking down aggressively, then straight up to retest the initial EM. If we'll EM out here, okay, everything is nice and clean and we can rock on altcoins. If we'll take these levels and we'll push higher, well, that means we can stay in the short reload zone for longer. And usually Bitcoin dominance is not going straight to 60% and then, oh, okay, I was here one day, bye-bye, I'll go back down. No, we'll stay some time, 1 month, 2 months, I don't know. Just look left and you'll understand. But for us, at this point in time, the market is playing fib pong. Yeah? You see the fib pong here? Well, let me show you the fib pong. And Sebastian, if you are here, remember me to show you how I frame the trade, the SFU, when we'll get there. And how I intend to frame the next one. You can see here, long reload zone 61.8, fib pong. Yeah? From the fib to the next one. And now, you think we have a fib pong here? I think we have. Or we'll manage to get in one. There you go. Yeah. So, fib pong, from fib to fib. And so on until the volatility will get out and at some point will explode again. Yeah? Okay. Let's delete all the drawings. I just was for an example. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance 4-hour chart. Let's go back on daily. And let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I'm still waiting for my scenario here. Lower, higher, I don't know where this W will come, but I'm still waiting. Still valid thinking for me. Okay. Some potential bullish divergence on RSI. Maybe something will happen. I have this trend line as a support. I have 78.6 here. Don't be bearish here. Okay. Don't be bearish here. That's my thinking. Okay, now DXY on daily, slowing down a little bit, but overall in a big range. I'm okay with DXY just playing around in this area. Bitcoin, we talked about total market cap. Well, we finally yesterday did something nice. We closed the daily candle above the old all-time high. So officially, guys, we are in a bull market. Yeah, we are in a bull market. We took that we closed above. We had some weeks, but finally yesterday overnight we closed above the old all-time high. Okay, let's see. You can see from 2021 this was the high, highest high, and now we have a higher high because we closed. That's how you calculate or you see the structure. You can see a real breakout or a real taking over a level. If the market will close above the previous week high, candle close, it's relative because the close it's depending on the time frame, but you get the idea. If you are on daily, you have a change in the structure or a higher high if the market will close above. So we have that finally. That means I should chase here? No. And by the way, I see the same pattern as on Bitcoin. A, B, C, D. Total 2. Well, a bit different. Ethereum is lagging and you can see we are at 61.8 short reload zone, but nothing we can do here. Total 3. Still same kind of idea. A bit more aggressive. Recovering some ground. But still a lot of work to do here. Yeah? Until we'll take the high, well, a lot of ground to cover. And we'll get there. Don't worry about it. My problem is not that we'll not get there. The problem is we'll get really violently. And my community members crypto traders arena people will be left behind. That's why I'm yelling here. Well, get your bags full of altcoins, because this could happen in 2 days or 1 day or a couple of days. Yeah, we can go straight up. And then people will come to a stupid trader like me asking where I should buy this altcoin. And I don't have an answer. I have an answer now. I have a plan now. I have all the levels, all the reasons to load on altcoins. After that, after it's starting to push aggressively higher, it's hard to get an entry. Where you put your stop loss, how you manage your risk. Anyway, yes, I had an idea with Palm Chaser Zone yesterday, and you can see. Okay, Paul, you can have ideas, but the market will do whatever it wants. And you can see W here, Palm Chaser Zone. That was the Palm Chaser Zone W. I said, well, look at this one. W, breakout retest. Well, the retested stop loss and pushed it higher. Oh, that's the market. It's aggressive, and was too obvious. It was painted here, this W, no? Was for everyone to see it. And look at that W. Look at how nice it is. Take it. Thank you. Thank you for your money. You have to understand that market makers, they have kids. They have 2 or 3 wives, or so-called wives. 2 or 3 homes. They're expensive for people. You have to understand that. And from time to time, they will do something like this. Okay? Where we'll stop? Well, we'll stop in the same area here. That's the area where you should think short if you want to think short. I'm okay with thinking short here. Well, I think range. So I want a bit higher, and then an YAM and maybe, or an SFU or something. I want to think range from now on. Not bearish. This is not a bearish market. Okay. Well, I hope you can still hear me. You can still see me. I don't see any reaction in the chat, so I don't know if I'm still live or I'm not live. Okay. Bitcoin with halvening and the targets for the head and shoulder and the big cup and handle. Well, not too many things develop. Now, you can see, expect bull to start. Well, we started. After my drawings here, you don't want to see my drawings here all the time. What this line means, this blue line. That means we'll go here and we'll stop. Believe it or not. Expect bull to start until here. We started. This one, if we'll take this one, and you'll take it, you'll put it here. Well, let's just make it a little bit bigger, okay? You can see. You don't like that. That means we have 1 month, 2 months, maybe 3 months of bullishness, and that's it. That's after this, if you are thinking 2021. If you are thinking, as I expect, the other cycle, they are repeating the cycle, but not the previous one, which, so one behind, well, we still have some time. Yeah? That will mean, let me go back. It will mean the bull cycle should be, just with the time, should be over in September. I don't know. Market is exponential up now. Look at the rest, people. It's going in the exponential phase, and if you go on total 3, you'll see after that what is next. Well, next is altcoins, and no, this time is not different. Altcoins will pump. All of them will pump. Well, weak one will pump 5x, a strong one will pump 500x. And so on. So do your own research here, and see what you get. And if you find something nice, please show me. But keep in mind the halvening, because it's a stable event at every 4 years that could bring us a really nice time reference in the 4-year cycle. That's why I'm using halvening. It's a fixed event, kind of fixed. Yeah? Every 4 years we have a halvening, and after the halvening we have a retracement. Yeah, we know that. And after the retracement, the wake-up call. Well, Bitcoin is more expensive. Simple as that. That's the weekly. What do you see on weekly? No. Yeah. So, will be 122 the top? I don't know. You can see we had a cup and handle here. We exceeded by a lot the cup and handle target. I think we'll do that again. We can go a lot higher. A little bit of hype could create. Bitcoin is already at close to 100. To double, it's pretty easy. 3x, it's really easy. Yeah, in this market with countries wanted to buy Bitcoin. Yeah? Some of them will sell, but some of them will want, well, I want some. And countries, as all the, not only people get FOMO, you have to understand that. Now, let's leave the discussion like this. Let's go on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, yesterday I said something about an SFU here. We had a high, this one, and I said, well, it's time to play the SFU if the market will pump there. Now, someone asked me, I guess Sebastian asked me, well, how the fuck you put your stop loss at 94? Well, I'll try to do it again today. Let's see if we'll manage to do it. If today we'll have another SFU, this trade is done. We have 2 to 1. I was a bit too aggressive with 61.8 here. I still have 25%, I'll be honest. I closed 75% at 2 to 1 and I have 25% left. That is just there in case of collapsing. Now, we have a new high here. So how I'll play the SFU? At the moment that the market is close to the high, not now. Now it's kind of sketchy. If the market will push higher, let's see I want to see where the POC is. And I'll play the classic one. Or I'll combine the classic one with the new one. So, short setup, I take this tool. That will be my entry. Clear? Where the POC is? Well, the POC is here. Well, that's my target. Okay. Well, what's a 2 to 1 on this trade? Well, a 2 to 1 on this trade will be something like this. Yeah? If everything is clean and clear and the market will pump here and then will come here and I don't know, we'll do a NAM or we'll accept here. The problem is to accept back below. Then I could expect the market from that SFU level to go to the magnet, to the volume, to the POC. Okay? I could expect that logically. So if I get a 2 to 1 on this trade, my entry will be here. My stop loss will be here and 2 to 1. I calculate my stop loss based on the target. Okay? So that's how I calculate the stop loss, Sebastian, in this case. Based on the target. I have my entry and I have my target. I want a 2 to 1. Well, to have a 2 to 1, my stop loss should be all the way up there. And because that level is so fucking close to 95, yeah, I'll just say, well, say 95 and $10. Kind of. Yeah, and then I could play. The problem is the POC is changing, so I have to pay attention how the volume profile will look when the market will be close to this level. Yeah? That's one way to play the SFU, my classic way. Well, we can play a different game here. The second way to play the SFU setup is to market will push higher. And on 50-minute chart, we'll close a candle like this, and then we'll come back down here or retest, or we'll close. If we'll close on 5-minute chart, for example, we'll close like this. Okay, we'll accept and close below this level. That means we can form an M. The market will retest this level again, but this will be on lower time frame. This will be a resistance. We'll come here and then we'll go down. So I'll take the candle. I'll take my stop loss will be here. My entry will be breakout, close back below on the time frame. Okay, I have my entry. My stop loss will be at the week high, okay? And the take profit will be 2 to 1, 3 to 1, but I'll trail as much as possible to the pop. That's another way. When you see that the market is doing frequently SFUs with lower wicks, okay, you can play this one. When you you have higher wicks, it's too violent, you cannot play this one. You have to play the first way. Clear? How you manage to do one or the other one? Well, experience, trade, frame, practice. Yeah. Okay. So that's Bitcoin. Now, I will do the same. Playing this level here, SFU. Overnight, I think Sebastian or someone else asked me, well, about this double here. And I said, it's too aggressive. It's too aggressive, don't take it. And you can see the market made a clear W here, an LJ. I have the drawing somewhere. Let me find them. I think on the other template, and it's a bit harder to find, but I'll find them. I think I put this one here on this. There you go. Someone asked me here, well, I should take this W. Nah, it's too aggressive. It's the W in 61.8 is too aggressive. After an SFU, it's too aggressive. Wait for another round. And you can see another go. Well, okay, you can take this W if you want, man. Still not the best. W the other side of this trend line. Well, we are the other side. No W, no W, no W. There you go. W. Another W. Retest. Pushing higher. Clear setups, people. Clear setups. Stupid trader approach. Yeah. You don't have to think too much. You have to execute and play your setups. No, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Tolga played the SFU with me and he played a 1 minute Holy Grail. That one failed, but I liked his thinking on 1 minute there. Okay, now we are playing ping pong here. You think we'll take the high in the London session or before the London session? I don't think so. Possibly, but we should think something like this. Come on. Okay, let's do the drawings here. We can think something like this. Well, if the market will come here, initially M, and will M out here, I could frame a short. Or I could close my long here, because I have a long, no. I was sleeping at that hour, but yeah, was overnight. I'll close my long here, I'll take some profit off, and maybe if I'll see a clear setup, I have location here. Let's look at the indicator. We are slowing down. Look at the RSI. So we can frame something if you really want. But look at the time frame, people. It's not for everyone here. It's for 1 or 2 people that are listening here. Not for everyone. Okay? This is 5-minute chart. Most of you, 95% of you, and you should admit that. You should have the courage to admit that. Well, 5-minute chart is not for me. I'm better on daily and weekly chart. Admitting that you are not ready for 5-minute chart, for 1 hour chart, it's a step forward for your profit. Because if you stay on your time frame, on your knowledge, and you'll exercise there, and you'll practice there, and you'll buy the altcoins at the right moment, you can make more money than trying over and over again to fucking make profit on 5-minute chart. It's hard. I know it because I'm doing it, but I cannot say after, even after years of trading 5-minute chart, I cannot say, well, it's easy for me. It's fucking not. You can have some bad emotions here that you still have that feeling to take the computer and throw it out of the window. You still have that, even after years. So, tell me that is easy. Yeah, if you follow the plan, it's doable, but easy. Gets easier in time, but easy no. Okay, now let's go on 4-hour chart. Come on, 4-hour chart, and let's look at the altcoins from yesterday. Aevo, covering some ground, getting back down. I still don't have a setup. I could take this W, kind of aggressive, but it's there. I don't know. I don't like the location. That's let's be honest. But you can see W breakout, no retest, not proper retest. Another step higher, and now is retesting. I'll take it here. I have a good bag of this one. I don't want a trade here. If it will come lower, okay. The problem with lower is that will form a big yam, and I don't like that. Alt, similar. You can see we formed some yams here. So I need another W. If I see M's above me, I need W's as clear as possible, as strong as possible to get me in along. Doge. On Doge, we have a trade, we have a bot set up, we are in. And you can see we have 25%, we have this W, it's holding. Doge is one of the strongest for the moment. So if Bitcoin will keep holding the 92 level, I think Doge could do another round. Doge just waits for Trump or Elon Musk to tweet. You can see we tried an LJ here, we failed. And I want everyone to don't fuck around and don't play around. If your stop loss was hit, you should have a hard stop loss in the market. Not a soft one, not a, well, maybe if, no. If you have your order there, your order got triggered, you lost the amount you decided before, and that's it, next boss. You don't have anything to do here. Don't revenge, don't even think about entry again, just wait for a new W. FET. Huh? Well, FET, it's holding for the moment. This one, like I said, is high, it's strong, but I don't like it. Now we have some yams. Now I really don't like it. This one was in a mission. A mission accomplished. Almost. You can see. A, B equals CD, really strong. Huh? Almost get there. Pyth. All over the place. Saga. In a good location. Some yams here. Okay, I get it. But we are retesting the initial W, people. We are getting in a good location, so don't say, well, it's weak. No, pay attention here. Pay attention. We have some bullish divergence. We have some things. Look at OBV, look at RSI, look at MACD. So pay attention on Saga. If you see a W, take it. Take it. Or you can play the shark here, directly the shark. Why? Why I want the shark? Well, because it's definitely one of the best setups. And second of all, look at this W. I'm just playing that retest. So I have the shark in a W retest. Doesn't get better than that. So something like this, if you'll see something like this, just take it. Don't sell your house. Don't do stupid things. Well, let's just put a 2 to 1, just for the sake. Well, let's just leave it here. See what happens. Okay? So that's an idea for a swing trader on 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is between day trading, swing trading. Mostly to swing. Could last couple of days until the trade will complete. Solana. Well, AB equals CD. We aimed out here. That means DCM means we'll go down? No, that means we don't have higher highs anymore. We are in a range environment. And if we'll continue to play, so okay, I could see a small downtrend to retest $210, $200. But for the moment, DCM, what the first TM is telling us is to stay the fuck out. Don't buy until you see the next W. It's simple as that, people. When you see an M, that means, well, in a bullish environment, you don't have to short. You don't have to think short. You just say, well, okay, let's stop a little bit. I have an M. Market has a double top there. I don't want to touch something like that. I want higher highs and higher lows. We have equal highs and equal lows, or equal highs and lower lows on lower time frame. I don't want to be bullish. I want to stay out and wait for a better moment. Okay, Tao. We discussed it. We said, well, maybe we'll do, but until I'll see a W, I don't want to touch it. No W, no trade. Now, it's deeper in the long reload zone, probably with some bullish divergence. Okay, potential ones, but still okay-ish. Something on OBV even. So, give me a clear W. I prefer the W at 78.6 here, but I'll take any W. Give me a clear W breakout retest and I'll be long on Tau. I warn you, don't buy here, don't long here. Everyone was bullish. Well, Tau will go to 1000. Well, yeah, we'll probably go to 1000 this bull market, but not from here. And people hated me and Stefan because we said that. And if we'll zoom out even more, I could tell you, well, this level is not tested yet. I'm not saying it will, but could be. You'll hate me even more. But it's not about me here. It's about the market. Could see in a bad environment, could see a week to 350 pretty easily. It's crypto after all. So here I'll take a W if I'll see one. General setup for people old enough in crypto traders arena. That means general setup here. You can take an aggressive LJ here if you want. Doji, you know what I will say about Doji. Buy it at $1. TIA, it's all over the place. If we'll get back down here, because we have kind of a range here, but the aggressive approach will be something like this. That will be the aggressive approach. Reload zone. Okay, and you can take, I don't know, sweet spot or something, weak lows here. If you'll see the weak lows being taken out, you can take an entry, stop loss all the way down here at this week, hoping that this will hold. The classic approach will be to wait for a proper W on 4-hour chart. Up to you. Yes, we discussed this one. Ugly. Not, we have a bot setup, slightly underwater, but we have 1, 2, 3 lows to protect our stop loss. Safe enough. I'm okay. Manta has an M. We need a W. We'll probably retest this level. Well, if we'll be so strong, okay, retest it and make a W on 1 hour. Maybe. But still, not something I don't remember where, but we discussed this kind of a symmetrical triangle pattern. You remember? Remember this one? And I said usually at 3/4 of the we'll have a resolution. And look at it. Did the up move, a fake out to the upside? We are bullish, breakout to the moon. I am doubt. Well, that's crypto, people. And usually I noticed in altcoins, you'll get this pattern and you'll get this fake out. You can count to sell this fake out, to short this fake out, or to buy if it's a fake out to the downside. Sometimes we'll do a dark mole, up and down, and then we'll be exactly at the same point. Ugly, because you don't stand a chance if we'll do a dark mole. You don't have a chance. We'll take your stop loss. Either you are long, either you are short. Even if you are long and short, trying to play that, well, I'll close the other one. Well, we'll stop you out from both of the trades, and then we'll be exactly where you entered. Which is ugly. But it's crypto, and we like it because we have volatility and we can make some money. GOAT. On GOAT, you know the drill. Lower time frame, we can play around. Let's see, 15-minute chart. If you have a Holy Grail, you can see Holy Grail is still active again on GOAT. We had an entry at the middle of the night. We have an entry now. It's at entry. So it's up to you. You want to take it? There you go. Look at a classic trade. People, when I'm saying a trade, I'm saying just a trade with a 50% win rate. Don't sell your house for it. I'll take it. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'll not tell you what to do, but I'll take this one. It will be at the same price when I'll finish the live stream. So I'll take it, why not? I could put my stop loss even one step lower, something like this. Come. This is the best approach I could see. If all the levels or one level will hold and this will push higher, then I could make some money on it. To buy it is too high, just a setup. Okay, so that's got Ripple. 15-minute Holy Grail still active. Nothing I can do here. Ace. Well, Ace looks good, really good on higher time frame. So let's take a daily. Let's pick the daily time frame. Well, you can see where we are on Ace. Okay. So we are consolidating. We can explode all of a sudden, we can, but for the moment we are consolidating. So we should play the range game until it will not work. Range game here doesn't mean to sell the top of the range. Range game here means buy the retracement. So on higher time frame, draw swing low, swing high, wait pump chasers on long reload zone and buy the fuck out of it. Okay? We are in a bullish environment. Okay, Ace and Bonk. I have a long on Bonk on lower time frame, of course. And you can see it's playing around quite nicely. It's strong. Bonk, it's strong. Once higher. Higher time frame, you saw the 4-hour chart and nothing you can do there. It's too high. Well, that's my list. I managed to finish the list after 40 minutes. I'm speaking too much. Now, let's see one or two requests and then I'll go and trade with VIP people. Ethereum and AI. Well, Lulus, I want a time frame. Well, you look at Ethereum Fi and AI and what? I assume higher time frame. This one was looking nice at some point in time. Let's see weekly. What is it? Yeah. Still looking nice for dollar cost average, for investments, for something. LJ, we don't have that weekly W. We have some W's here. So we have weekly W actually. Because you can consider this one a weekly W. It's trying. Good for investments, good for dollar cost average, good for little old lady on weekly chart. Indicators, well, we don't have enough data for that, but acceptable. Let's go on daily. Well, acceptable. W's on OBV, RSI above 50 and okay-ish. Some W's here. Something to chase. I don't see a setup. On daily, I'm eyeballing for setups. I don't see a setup here. I see a range. We are in the middle of the range, which is not the best location for a setup. 4 hour? Nah. On 4 hour chart, you can do something like this. Okay. W in the long reload zone, get a general setup, and that could, if you get an entry here, get a clear setup and you trail, you can do something really nice with a setup. But you have to plan it before. If I'll get a setup and if I'll enter, okay, I'll take the half of the profit off at 2-to-1 or at 3-to-1 and I'll trail the rest. How I'll trail the rest? Where I'll put my stop loss? That's the key. I'll leave enough room for the market to pump and dump and push higher. It's up to you. So that's this one. Let's go back on weekly and let's see AI. AI on Binance looking similar, consolidating at the bottom, really good location here. We can see, let's put a proper can see between 78.6 and 88.6. Altcoin long reload zone, you can see here, yeah, alt reload zone with 88.6. Yeah? That's the reload zone for altcoins, in my view, Brian Beamer's view. I learned to trade from Brian, so most of the concepts are similar. Every trader is different, so I made my own. I'm a bit more aggressive, so I changed some things, but I learned to trade from him, and I'm proud to say that. Okay, so here, yeah, on weekly chart, consolidating, good for little old lady, good for dollar cost average, good for investments in general. Usually you don't fail if you buy this level and hold. Indicators. Well, look at that OBV. And you see something nice, you like something there. Yeah. So, for the investment people, look at things like AI. Look at it. It's buyable there, and you can make some money. It's an easy 10x from these levels. Everyone is looking at Bitcoin. Everyone is looking at something shiny that's pumping, and they don't care about AI until it will pump. And when it's 5 times higher, 10 times higher, you'll come here in the chat, well, what I should buy. So I appreciate, Lulus, that you are looking in the right direction at the right time. Okay? I don't know if you are Crypto Traders Arena member, if you are premium, if you are VIP, if you are general, doesn't matter. Idea is that you are looking in the right direction. If you have a plan, and if you are dollar cost averaging and you're respecting your plan, you are set. Okay. Well, if you flash dump, doesn't matter. You are buying spot here, Alex. No? You're buying spot. If you'll buy a coin like this will go close to zero. And then will recover really fast. Okay, it's better to buy at that level than now, but you cannot know if that will happen. If it will happen, you can buy more if you still have some reserves. But if you don't buy now and the market will push straight up, you're left behind and you'll have to wait another 4 years. Decisions. Decide. Act. Plan. Simple as that. What's the best decision here? Well, to buy something here to start dollar cost averaging, and if we'll dump, okay, I'll buy more. Yeah, we are not trying to predict the market. We know that this location is good as investment. We don't know if we'll hold the lows or we'll take the lows. Okay, you take the lows and you'll make a lower W. I'll buy even more. Yeah, I'm not picking up on you, Alex. Don't get me wrong. We're discussing here. We are not 100k. Yeah, could be 110. Could be a level everyone expect. Well, we accepted above 100k. We'll go to the moon. 110, 114. Everyone is bullish. Everyone is telling to their grandmothers, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. Yeah, possible, even probable. I don't know if it will be at 110 or, but P cycle. If you see the moving average on P cycle getting closer and closer, becoming friends again, that's a warning sign. Okay. What I should see here, rather. I'm looking. You said to look at this one. I'm looking at it. What I should see here. What I should get from it. I see a big range on 4-hour chart. If I'll zoom out even more, good location, everything, good location to invest, but 50-minute chart, I don't see anything special. If you want to trade and you say, well, Paul, you know what? I'll play this like an AB equals CD. And I'll take something like this. Suit yourself. W in the long reload zone as between, you are below 61.8, so you should, you are okay to hunt on 4-hour chart. Then go on 1 hour, see what you got. Well, you don't got any W. Potential bullish divergence on MACD, which is okay-ish. Potential one on OBV, which is, it's getting there. Okay, now go on 50-minute chart and take the W. You don't have a W, you know the drill. No W, no trade. 61.8, 78.6, yeah. It's below 61.8. Now give me, you have, if you are staying on this time frame, Rado, yeah, you are below 61.8. You have the first reason. Second one, there you go. You have a reason here. You have a bullish divergence already confirmed. So let's assume that you have one confirmed, one potential. It's okay. Okay, so you have one, you have two reasons. Now you need a clear W. If you take the breakout or the retest, is up to you. No, I don't know if I'll take, looking at this chart, if I'll take the 50-minute chart. Probably 1 hour, it's better. And then here, I need to wait a little bit more. Probably we'll consolidate between and we'll take this, retest this level at 78.6. Maybe we'll make a W. It's up to you. But I don't have a setup there. I have a location and lower time frame. I have some bullish divergence, and that's about it. We still need to wait to hunt. Yeah, okay. You are thinking in the right direction, seeing that W. Higher time frame, all over the place. I don't like it. But 1 hour, 4 hour, 50-minute chart, okay, for a hunt. Well, let's see. Well, guys, that being said, I don't know how the fuck I'm trying to do this daily crypto plans in 20 minutes and I'm ending up doing it in 40 minutes or 1 hour. Can you guys tell me what I'm doing wrong? 1 hour live stream every morning, it's a bit too much, don't you think? I don't know. I'll find a solution eventually. And I'm by myself this week. Stefan, it's a nice vacation, motherfucker. And I'm by myself managing everything. And I'm playing the meme coins on Solana. Well, I bought here with on this one. Just one example. I bought here with Carol. We made nice profit here. I sold immediately, sell half on a double. Okay. I sold here. I saw the top. Okay, it's enough. Let's sell. And I said I'll take the next W in the long reload zone. Well, I didn't took this one. I didn't like it, but I took this retest here. No. Took this retest in the morning, and you can see it's pushing higher and higher. No? So almost a double. Didn't hit, motherfucker. Didn't hit my sell order. Sell half on a double. Well, I'll get there. It's not a big deal. A lot of meme coins are pumping. We have DGen calls and DGen chat on premium, and is the most active channel, DGen chat. Why? Meme coins are pumping. Julian is posting, Carol is posting, I'm posting from time to time, but mostly I take their calls. Don't go there without a plan and a good risk management. If you go there without a plan and good risk management, I could guarantee you'll lose the capital in 1 day. Not more than 1 day. So if you don't have a plan, stay the fuck out. I cannot be more honest than this. Okay, if you have a plan, if you have a 1% rule risk management, I'll buy here, I'll sell half on a double, and the rest, okay, could go to the moon and things like that. Okay, you can do something. Even now, guys are posting. Let's see what is the last post. Julian is posting something big. Cheese ball. Yeah? And you can, we have the app and we just go deck screener. Okay, if I hit the screener, we'll open a new page, and then here I'll see everything I want. Okay, it's too low on one. Let's put 1 hour, and you can see good location. A bit too big of a market cap, but look at this one. Up, down in the 88.6 W breakout retest here. It's okay to nibble here, to take, let's say you have 10 Solana and you put 0.1 Solana here, and you sell half on a double and keep the rest. Maybe this cheese ball will go to the moon? I think so. Well, if you have 10 Solana and you go and buy 1 Solana here, you're stupid. So if you buy more than 0.1 Solana, if you have 10, if you buy more than 1% here on this one, you're stupid. Just don't play this game. Was an ugly example to call someone stupid, but I'm calling stupid as a trader, as a risk management approach, nothing to do with any one of you. Okay, so I could buy this one. Okay, I could go here, copy the contract address, go on Jupiter or go on Photon and just go and buy it. We'll double you out. We'll make a double. I'll sell half on a double, keep the rest. And I have a lot of free coins in my Phantom wallet. Okay. That being said, people, let's not stay on the meme coins too much. If you want to join VIP, you have to DM Stefan. Join Discord. If you are a trader, you have a good portfolio, and you want only someone to feed you with ideas, not signals, sir. Not signals, because you have to assume it's not a signal. It's a trade idea, a complete one. Go there. If you like it, you take it. If you don't like it, you don't take it. It's impossible to take all the calls from VIP. I could tell you that. Some of them are on 1 minute, some of them are on 5 minutes. You go to bathroom, and when you come, the trade is done. Yeah. Now it's a bit more quiet because Stefan is out and I'm by myself with the entire community. And I have to trade for myself also. But usually it's really fast there. So take that offer if you want. We have premium, we have Kappa 1 and Kappa 2, but today I decided to talk about VIP. Tomorrow we'll talk about Kappa 1, for example. And if you have questions about that, you can ask me. But I prefer to ask me in a Discord live stream, not a public one on YouTube. Okay, that being said, eyes on the ball here. Bitcoin is pushing higher. You can see. Let's put a 50-minute chart. Let's put the volume profile there. Let's see, maybe we can get another SFU. I don't think that will happen, but doesn't matter what I think. If I'll see the SFU, if I'll see the setup, I'm forced by my plan to take it. That being said, see you guys next time. Bye bye.